Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your weekly look at the market. Sorry I didn't do the video update last week, I was away on holiday, but let's dive into this week. Russell 2000, we're looking at that, we're looking at gold, we're looking at crude oil as well. I am looking at the Russell here, Russell 2000. You could spread bet this if you're in the UK, but I am looking for a new red pro trading system. We are making lower lows and lower highs, okay? And if we can get a red one, that will be another dent in this trend. I think we're going down, guys. Keep your eye on this support area here, 2100. That's a major support area. We may well bounce from there, but I'm looking at lower prices over the next week or so on the Russell. If we take a little look at gold, unfortunately I got stopped out of the gold trade. Now I still think we could, we had a nice PTS buy on that white candlestick. We pushed up into a double top area, double top, bit of a resistance area, not like a classic double top. But I think, if we start turning red and breaking this trend line, I think we're going to go, guys. At the moment, it's just sideways chop. Even though I got stopped out for a small percentage risk on that trade, I'm still going to wait for the next signal. I think there's a big move coming in gold. If we start breaking above this area here, which is just shy of 1840, then yeah, I think, committed to the long side. But where we are at the moment, we're just still sideways, and I think it's got a decision, and I think it's coming really soon. So watch out for that market. And I think stocks and indices are going to roll over in the next few days. I'm not quite sure how gold's going to react to that. Most people would say, yeah, it's flight to safety, but has it been before? There's been times before where the stock market sold off for several weeks when gold sold off with it. So just trade the chart. That's what I'm looking for. Times have changed. We live in a different world. Let's see how we go with gold. Crude oil, US crude oil, not Brent. We are red and dropping lower. I can see this down to 66.19 and then profit target PTS 61.25. But look at the reason why it's dropping. We were looking for crude oil to drop. Now we had a red trend predictor on last week's candlestick. So I've jumped up to the weekly candlestick here. The red arrow gave us the indication that this week could be a down week. Okay, so when we get a red arrow, we're looking for the down week after. Big move, over 200-point move here, guys. So I'm looking for oil to get even further, crude oil that is, to get further to the downside with these red signals that are going on right here. Now, you can see here from crude oil, we have a lovely wave pattern up, higher highs and higher lows. And we stalled, didn't we, there at $75. Big drop, breaking support. Then we've rallied back to a fib area, I would imagine. But that weekly trend predictor giving us the heads up that this week could be a down week. So I think crude oil further to go. Those of you that like trading FTSE stocks, next shares on the weekly. I think it's, we've had a nice wave pattern up here. Momentum's been higher. But we had a two-wave divergence at the highs, and then this moved down, wave 5, A, B, C. All right, so watch out for next. We start breaking down. We've got a trend predictor bringing us down as well. Watch out for start breaking the lows of next shares, because we could see these further down. All right, so gold is still there. I am waiting for gold. Crude oil is still, in a potential down move. And the Russell and the German DAX are at very interesting areas. Don't be complacent with the indexes, thinking they're going to go up forever. I know we're all long, we're all bullish long, and everyone's rah, rah, rah. We're to the long side, but don't get caught out, and just keep your eye out, because we're seeing those divergences playing out very soon on those indices. They're the markets I'm looking for. I'm not trading euro, dollar, pound, US dollar at the moment. Maybe pound, dollar, but euro, the ranges are just really quiet. Slow, because it's August. I think it's all going to start kicking off again very soon when people are back from holidays. But there's opportunities. There are opportunities in the likes of gold and the Russell. Speak to you soon. Bye now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Click the thumbs up button as well. It allows us to grow the channel, and you get notification every time there's a video. Speak to you soon.